I always thought my attic was just a dusty storage space until the day I heard the unmistakable clatter of my grandmother's vintage typewriter. Drawn by curiosity and a strange pull I couldn't explain, I climbed the creaky stairs, the sound growing louder, more frantic. To my horror, the typewriter's keys punched away on their own, spelling out a chilling narrative of a crime I didn't recognize. Each line depicted a future event, a gruesome murder with details so vivid they felt real, and at the center of it all, my name as the one who'd commit the act. I tried to stop it, yanking the paper free, but the machine kept typing, relentless. The attic felt alive, shadows dancing in the dim light, whispering secrets I was terrified to hear. As the typewriter continued its ominous tale, I realized the final scene was set for tonight, at my own address. The last line appeared, a warning I couldn't ignore.